Beautiful apartment with updated cabinetry. I mean, look at the quality of the cabinetry right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, these are actually custom designer cabinets, and you've got a very nice granite countertop with a nice stone backsplash, deep sink as well. New range hood, newer stove right there. Granite floors, look at that. I mean, these things are absolutely bright and beautiful. Very nice sized kitchen, stainless steel refrigerator there. Very large living room with a ceiling fan right there. Huge living room that opens to a sliding glass door right over here. A lot of fresh air, a lot of natural air. First floor apartment, East Elmhurst. So we're walking down the hallway with these gorgeous hardwood floors over here. Newer doors. Hardware right here, stainless steel hardware, and gorgeous hardwood floors. Look at this radiator, floorboards over there, and you've got plenty of closet space. Check this bad boy out right here. Wow, look at all the closet space you have right here. Bedroom number 1, and here we are in bedroom number 2, which is absolutely massive. I mean, this is like a ginormous room. You could fit a king-size bed with no problem in this bedroom right here. And look at the closet space. Wow, check that out. And that rack goes all the way back over there, so you could really hang a whole bunch of stuff right there. And you've got plenty of custom built shelves in this closet. Truly one of the largest closets for a 2-bedroom that I have seen, at least in this area, in a while. Really, really cool, guys. And your bathroom, you've got floor to ceiling tile right there. Look at how nice that is. Very, very, very fancy. Anyway, if you guys want to come see this, 2357 79th Street in East Elmhurst, give me a shout. I'd be happy to show it to you.